Alright guys, what is up? In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your microphone on your Oculus Quest 2 when you're using it on your PC. Basically using the Oculus Quest, I'm gonna put it like this, it's gonna be weird, but using the Oculus Quest 2 with the Rift mode or the link mode, okay, and you want to fix your microphone. The microphone is never working, okay. So watch my screen, guys. I'm gonna just put my camera a little bit smaller so you can see a little bit more. It's really simple, guys, really simple. Just watch this video. Obviously, if you have fixed your problem with my video, please give it a like, give it a subscribe. I need more people in my YouTube. Okay, so how you do it? Really simple. You see, I have my Oculus Quest 2 over here. Um, Sorry, you cannot see what's going on inside, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going on. So I just literally just start my Oculus Quest 2 and I plug it into my computer with the USB-C. So right now I disconnected. What I see right now is it's asking me to give access to the computer. So yes, I'm gonna give access to the computer. Just press all, like that's normal. Okay. So once you do that, um, okay, I'm just gonna redo my Guardian. Okay, so the Guardian is done. So now it says Oculus Link is available. So obviously you go to Oculus Link. I'm gonna grab my other. You need the right controller for this, I guess. So let's go settings and go to Oculus Link with the quick action settings. Okay. Now I'm gonna be able to go back. Now I'm in the Oculus Link menu. Once again, so you guys don't see it, but I'm gonna take control of my computer just by pressing virtual desktop over here. And as you can see, I'm using Streamlabs OBS. So if you want to fix this problem, obviously you can go with Streamlabs OBS. It's really simple. If you already own it, it's free. You just get it. It's really good to stream videos or if you're not used to that. But a lot of people know this program. Okay, the, why I'm using this? Basically, I'm just streaming with this, but it's really easy for me to monitor all my microphones. As you can see right now, I am speaking, and this microphone is moving. This is the normal microphone, as you can see it. We have the Oculus Quest 2 microphone down below. It is open, but it doesn't get nothing out of here. We don't have any freaking sound, or it's no signal. That's the word I'm looking for. So okay, so how you fix that? Easy, guys. What I do is I go over here. Okay, go over here in the speaker settings, and to it's like if you want to activate the headset inside. Sometimes with the other videos, I know I'm not the first video of doing it, but with the other videos, just a second, guys, they're explaining you how to do it by go at the device on Oculus and put it all the other ways, but this is a little different. Okay, so just go over here and you should see your Oculus headphone over here. If you see this, obviously you can do my glitch or my trick. So just put the sound as Oculus device, and by pressing this button I can play with the sound, so you know that there is a connection, it is working. Probably if I do this, I don't hear anything, but whatever. Okay, no matter. Obviously, if you go into your my settings into the Oculus program, if you guys want to do that real quick, just go into device Quest 2, and that's over here. This is the settings I'm using. I'm never touched that. I'm using the audio, it's Quest 2 microphone. Obviously you want to make the Quest 2 microphone work, and I'm using Windows settings as the audio. Okay, because my audio is going into my headphones every time I'm playing games with the Oculus Quest. Okay, and just saying the audio is coming from the computer to my ear. It's like you can all fix that. You guys know what it is. But let's go back to the microphone. Okay, so simple as I just showed you. Like the other videos, also you're gonna have to disconnect it. So I'm just gonna put it back, since I'm gonna have to give back the allow back the computer to have access. So it says PC disconnected. I'm gonna press OK. Now I'm gonna connect it back. Okay. Then I press allow access. And as the glitch it was to, if it's already fixed, the glitch it was to put the sound as the headset first, so it's like activating the headset. I don't know why, but it's just working this way for me. So I'm going back to Oculus Link, then
Then
I'm
I'm
going
going
back to
back to
desktop
desktop
and
and probably
probably
you
knit.
knit.
There we
There we
go.
go. See, so my microphone now is coming from the headset. My probably my voice has changed also. The microphone should be in a better quality also. I'm not even uh I was like yelling. Sorry for you guys. But this is how I did it. It took 6 minutes to do to show it to you. I speak a lot, but just take in mind that my trick, okay, it's over here. So let's just sorry. Okay, my trick is over here. It's going to you need to do this first, then you can put whatever you want to play your game. So I'm using speakers as my headset and I'm ready to play. I know that my headphone is going to work. I know that my friend's going to hear me in game. My viewers going to see me in the stream. I mean, going to hear me in the stream really good also. So it gives you the chance to use it as a microphone for streaming also while you are streaming your stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm not gonna make it longer. uh I saw the other videos. They were like, it's this, the method is similar, but they're just not telling you to do what I just told you guys, to put this to the headset first before unplugging, you know. So put it to headphones, Oculus, make sure this is working. See, I can hear it now. And unplug it, plug it back, auto access, and it should trigger the microphone. Because sometimes when you don't do that, it just doesn't trigger. You try it back and forth, it doesn't work. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe. I'm playing a lot of Oculus Quest 2. I'm playing the Population 1 game. That's the only game I have. I have started this game pretty much yesterday again. Also, like Pokemon, if you guys want some Pokemon cards, I do that also. Trading card game on Twitch. I sell some cards if you guys want some. Just visit my stuff, my Discord, and everything. I hope you guys like this video once again. See you in the next one. Peace.